Welcome to another video. Today I will be counting how much I have saved in my sinking funds. Here I have made a list of all the sinking funds envelopes that I have, and then what is the current balance in the envelopes, what is my goal, and by what date I have to achieve that goal, and how much shortfall I have. So how much I need to save more in those envelopes. So let's get started. The first one is school. These are the expenses relating to my daughter's school. So I should have $300 in the envelope. That's 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 295 and 300. So this is an ongoing expense. I don't have a set date in mind. I just stuff the cash in this envelope and use it as I need. Next one is clothing. Again, this is an ongoing category. So I just stuff a few dollars every week and I use them as I need them. So let's count it now. Clothing should have $45. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Next is phone. Phone should have $50. So that's 20, 40, 45, 50. My phone service renewal is due in next June. And I just go for the cheapest plan, which is normally $120 for the year. Like in next year, I'm planning to get a phone service for my daughter also. So the total cost will be $240. So I have to save $240 by June next year. So I need to save another $190. But I think I have almost 9 months to save it. So I should be okay with it. Next one is gifts. Gift should have $110. So that's 50, 70, 90, 110. I have used most of the funds from the gift category because my husband's birthday was in February and my birthday was in March, and a few of our friends had birthdays in June and July. Now the only birthday remaining for the year is my daughter's birthday, which will be in November 2021. So November this year, and I have to save $200 by then. So I have to save another $90. I'm planning to have a small birthday party for her, and I'm planning to spend $100 on the party and $60 for her gift and $40 for a nice cake. So $90 more to go. Next one is Christmas. I have saved $655. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 650 and 655. Actually, I should have named this envelope as festivals because I use this money to spend on all the festivals throughout the year. I'm from Indian background, I'm Hindu, so we celebrate Diwali and Ganeshotsav and Raksha Bandhan also. I will use this money to celebrate all those festivals, and then I will spend some money to celebrate the Easter also. So by the end of this year, I need to save $345 more. Next is vacation. Vacation should have $200. So that's 100, 150, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195 and 200. I'm planning to save $3,000 by December 2020 because I think by then international travel should start, and I want to spend $3,000 on my next trip to India. And if we have any smaller trips before that, I can just take out some money from my savings account, or I can use some funds from my overtime money. So this will be basically for the overseas trip because overseas trips are more expensive than the local trips. Next is car registration. It should have $960. That's 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 960. So $960 for the car registration. I thought this amount was going to be 1500, but it's 1100 required by December 21. Actually, I bought my car in December 2008, and so registration and insurance was always due in December for so many years. But I completely forgot that last year I switched the insurance provider. I got a really good deal with NRMA, so I switched it a half year, like in June. So I have already paid the insurance for this year, so I don't need to save that much. I only need to save 1100 by December 21. So I need to save another $140 in my sinking fund for the car registration. Next is new car. I should have $620. So 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, $620. My car is in good condition, but it has done almost 250,000 kilometers. So I am thinking maybe in another 3 years I will need a new car, and if any major work comes up before that, I can just use the funds from this envelope and stuff more or save more for the new car after that. Next is my daughter's envelope. That's for Manu, and it should have $160. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So $160. This is also an ongoing envelope. I don't have a set date in mind. I'm just going to save as I go, how, like whatever amount I can save, and once it hits $1,000 I'm going to invest it in stock market, and I can just use the dividends from those stocks for her expenses. We have set up another account for her college funds. We have set up a direct debit from my husband's account there. So this fund is not for her future education. This is just to cover her expenses from some shares. The last one is electronics. I should have $120. So 50, 100, 110, 120. Again, this is an ongoing envelope because I don't want anything right now. I don't need anything right now. So I will just save up this money, and if I need to buy something like a smartwatch, hair straightener, or a new tablet, then I can just use these funds, but I need to first save before I buy anything. So this is my progress so far, and this is how much I need to save. Now I will quickly count how much I have saved in total. So let's first arrange the notes so it will be easy to count. So let's count how much I have saved so far. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. So that's 1200 plus 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1000, 50, 100, that's 1100, 1150, 1200, 1250, 1300, 1350, 1400, 1450, 1500. These $50 notes are so sticky. Plus 1500. Let's count $20 notes. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Plus 180. Plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's plus 160. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. So I have saved $3,170 so far. Now I will try to calculate how much I need to save in total in the sinking funds. It will only include my big expenses like the new car and vacation. So let's add how much more I need. Of course, it will include some of the small expenses also, but this will just give me a rough idea. So that's 190 plus 90 plus 345 plus 2800 plus 140 plus 9380. That is, I need to save another $12,945. That's how I budget my sinking funds, and so far it has worked really well for me. I will review my sinking funds every now and then, and I will make changes as I go. So if you like my video today, please subscribe and please hit the like button. Tell me how have you set your sinking funds and what categories do you have in your sinking funds. Thank you.